My name is Katharina Maisel. I'm an associate professor in the Fischell Department of Bioengineering at the University of Maryland. My area within engineering is called Biomedical Engineering. So it is kind of at the interface of medicine, biology, trying to understand the human body, and then also doing engineering with that. So trying to build tools to study the biology and also to manipulate the human body. In my lab specifically, we're really interested in what are called lymph nodes, as well as the lymphatic vasculature. So you've got kind of this vasculature that is a one-way street from your tissues to lymph nodes, which is really where your immune response that lasts a long time is shaped. One of the really easy practical applications is really thinking about things like cancer immunotherapy. One of the things that has been shown in research, not yet translated to the clinic, is that if you take these therapies and put them directly in the lymph nodes, that actually makes them better. It makes them more effective. It makes the immune system respond better to kind of fighting the cancer off. And so what we're really interested in is trying to actually get things to the lymph node. I didn't always think I wanted to be an engineer. My dad was in the automotive industry, and that is all I knew about engineering. And I was like, well, I don't want to be in the automotive industry. But I got the advice that since I liked math and physics, maybe I should still apply into engineering, just try it out, see how I like it. And I ended up loving it and kind of discovered this area that combined my interest in biology and the human body with the engineering as well through biomedical engineering. My graduate work was in a field called drug delivery, which is still something that we also do in my lab, just a little bit more focused now on kind of the immune side of things. But that's really when I got interested in working with nanoparticles and trying to understand how can we manipulate the drugs that we take to actually be at the site where they need to act, as opposed to just being everywhere in the body. For my postdoc, I decided to do a total right turn and switch fields again into really basic immunology. And so I learned a lot about the lymphatic system and respiratory immunology, and that's kind of what we're combining in my lab. For me personally, because I did actually volunteer at the Science Center when I was a graduate student, winning this award for me is like kind of coming full circle with some of the work that I did and volunteer work that I did as a graduate student, and then really kind of emphasizing that I am looking to grow the next generation of scientists. I mean, that's why I am an academic, just inspiring kind of the next generation.